Hi guys, welcome back to Pink Alley's gaming world. So today we're gonna be playing this super cool app that calls the Akinator. This can guess whatever you think of. So I'm gonna try to be doing myself. I think I'm a character. Okay, I'm a character. Yes, I do exist. Yes, I am a girl. Do you speak with a character? What? Do I speak? I don't know what that means. Does your character work? No, no, no. Does a character person? Do I know myself? Do I know myself? Okay, I don't know, but I'm just gonna say don't know. Is your character from? No, I don't play movie. Well, I am a student, so. Well, I am from my family. I don't know what that means. Okay, don't know. I'm just gonna. Okay, is your character first name the same as yours? My name is Aliana, but my pink cat. Huh? No, 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 no. It's character animated. Do I? No, 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 no. Does it have space magic? No. I am. Oh my god, I don't know. Okay, I do live in my house. What? I don't know. Don't know. Latin American? No. It's character. A plot? No. Get away from me. No, no, no. No. Okay, my character is not on the list. My character, Pink Alley. I'm trying to. Come on. Just wait. Man. Now whatever. Okay, let's move on to the next round. How do I get to the next round? How do I get to the next round? How do I go to the next one? What do I click? Okay, let's play again. Oh my god. I'm trying to get rid of this. I'm trying to get rid of it. I can't. Okay, so what should we think of? Dun dun dun. I don't know. Maybe let's think of Ariana Grande. Maybe? No? Okay, let's go. Let's do it. Yes. No. She's. Yes! I just clicked yes. There we go. Okay. Yes, she does sing on stage. No. Does she? No. 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 I don't know. I don't even know what that means. No. No! A letter sometimes. Sometimes. Maybe. Just half shadow. No. 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 Yes. 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 Oh no! Collaborated with Doja Cat. Don't know. You got it, Ariana. Okay, yes. Actress and singer. He's like this. Oh, like this. I didn't look at him really well. Okay, what about we go for dun 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 dun. Wait, I gotta think. Mm, I don't know. I don't know what to pick. Taylor Swift? No. Yeah, Taylor Swift. Okay. Yes, 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 yes. No, of course. Yes. No, no, no. Don't know. No, no. Huh? Don't know. No, I don't. That's Billie Eilish. No. Thinking. I don't know. Okay, I don't know. I'm gonna say no. I'm gonna say no. Hold it. No. Okay, yes, yes, yes. Is your character from Perfect? Don't know, sir. There it is. Taylor Swifty. Taylor Swift. It's gotta be. You just. No. You just. Da-da! 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 That took a lot of time, Akinator. Okay, I'm gonna do a YouTuber, but I'm not gonna say it out loud. I'm just gonna. I'm not gonna say anything. Roblox. Show that face. Yes, she does. No! No, 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 no. Okay, it's a boy. Oh, it's a boy. Okay, not a girl. No. Yes. Don't know. Costs a lot. No. He doesn't say like use mana. What's mama? No. No, no, no. 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 With their sister. Yes. Seriously? I'm gonna say that's a yes. Okay, now I'm gonna go for a girl YouTuber. Okay, yes. So I'm not gonna tell you. I'm just gonna be quiet the whole time. Okay, maybe I'll little talk because it didn't. No, no, no. Yes. No. Yes. It's like no. Yes. 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 Yeah. Like I don't know if she has a squad. No. Definitely not have freckles. Probably. I'm just gonna say probably. We're the number 16. No, she wears like fancy pink clothes. No! They don't know. Don't know. your boyfriend's name? If they, I don't know. You should know this, but it's supposed to be I am Santa, but that's correct. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go for one more character and then we're gonna end it. So, I don't know. Okay, guys, I think we're gonna end it here. Make sure to like, subscribe, and have a wonderful day. Like, subscribe to my channel, Pink Alley. Bye! Ooh.